Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So this is episode 500 and I've been talking about this for a couple of episodes now. But this is also our next video in PJ's I Find You Keep, episode 4. Now, I wanted to do something special for our 500th video on the channel. So today we're actually going to be doing something very different. Now, I've gone and chosen a selection of $2 coins that I've pulled out of circulation over the years. Okay, so you'll see that we do have a few special ones in there. We've got one of the coronation, if we can get a bit of focus on that one. There it is. Coronation $2 coin right there. Yep, focus is really struggling right now. Yep, but there it is. We've got, maybe we can zoom in a little bit. We've got a green one there. We've got a good mixture of $2 coins, all right? So I'm going to be doing something very, very different. And let's just zoom back out again. Now, I've gone and got a heap of $2 rolls. We're actually going to open up 10 rolls in this hunt. Now, I'm just going to take all these away for the moment. Now, what we're going to be doing as I pack all these away, I've got a little bag. All right, and I've actually just pulled it out of a game bag. I'm going to put all these $2 coins into the bag. Now I have dropped one there. All right, all the coins are now in the bag. Now what we are going to do for this special hunt is I'm going to open up 10 rolls of $2 coins. Now for each roll that we do not find a colored coin, I will put my hand into the bag and I won't know what comes out until I pull it out, but that then becomes the coin that we'll be giving away to one winner. All right, so all the coins, so we should end up with at least 10 coins throughout this hunt. All right, and because it's a special 500th, I will leave a special question that I want to know the answer to. And if you leave a comment, you're in with a chance to win these 10 coins. Might be 12, might be more. But that's what we're going to do. All right, so let's get stuck into it. We are going to do it the quick way where I just spread them out and basically look for $2 coins. The only other non-colored $2 coin I've put in the bag in there is actually a 2011. There are some double ups. They're not all exactly the same individual coins. There are some double ups. All right, let's take it in a little bit closer and see if we can find anything. So yeah, you're in with a chance to win a coronation. There is a green one in there. We've got a red one, the Lest We Forget from 2015. We've got some of the early ones. So it'll be interesting to see what does come out, and we'll put them aside. But look, I think we're going into the bag straight up today. I can't see any colored coins here. No, nothing there. All right, we're going to push these aside. I'm going to get the bag out. And we're going to see what we can grab. All right, I'm going in. I'm moving them around. We're going to pull one out and let's see what I've got. All right, the first coin. All right, here we go. We got a Lest We Forget from 2017. Yes, that's the one. All right, so that's our first keeper because we didn't find anything in a roll. All right, now we're going to go and open up a second roll. So 10 rolls. I need to keep track of this. Let me put all side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, I've got 8 rolls put aside. We've opened up one and we've got the number 9 right here. Let's see what we can find in this roll. All right. It's kind of a good thing if we don't find something. We've got a chance to pick out another good one though. All right, anything on that one there? No, I'm not seeing any color. Which you know what that means, we're going back into the bag. All right, no, nothing in that one there. Let's push those aside. Back into the bag. Random choice once again. What do we got? Oh, we got a 2020 T20 $2 coin. All right, let's put that one aside. All right, the next roll. All right, flip them all over, mix them all up. No, it doesn't appear to be any colour in this one also. All right, let's put them aside. Let's grab the bag out again. Be nice to hit that purple. All right, what do we got? What year is it? It's a 2019. And it's a Mr. Squiggle coin right there. All right, so let's pop that one as our third keeper. All right, now we should be up to roll number 4. Alright, boy, dud rolls. Not finding any keepers. 2022. No, nothing there. I think we've flipped them all over now. Anything worth flipping anyway. Alright, push those aside. We'll go back into the bag for a 4th time. See them all in there. Alright, let's go down there, move them around a bit. What do we come out with? Alright, we got a Com Games 2018 Com Games. Let's put that one aside. Alright, roll number 5. Alright, so what I would love to know, and it's been a question that has been submitted, and I think it was the question that was submitted by our last winner. And that is, how did you get into coin collecting? What was the reason? Did someone point you in the right direction? Did somebody give you a coin, or you were passed a coin and you thought, oh, I need to know more about that? Really interested to read your comments on why you got into coin collecting. All right, it's so leave a bit of an answer there. Let me know, and we will be picking a winner, and that winner will win all the coins that we find on today's episode 4. All right, back into the bag, guys. What are we going to pull out? All right, got one. Okay, we're getting some variety. Okay, we've got a Possum Magic there, $2 coin from 2017. All right, that's our 5th. And we've got 5 rolls to go. How many more times will we get into the bag? So if you like this kind of hunt and you enjoy seeing what we pull out of the bag, let me know. I'd love to know that also. You can leave a comment letting me know that kind of stuff as well. Yeah, it really helps if you do put a like on this video. And the more likes the better, I say. Alright, so not seeing anything really interesting there. Let me just have a look at the rim on this one. I'm actually using a new phone today. First time I've used this particular phone and camera, so I'm keen to see how it all comes out, and keen to do a proper noodle, actually see how well it focuses. Oh, we got to go back into the bag. I was almost going to grab another roll. All right, back into the bag. What have we got? Oh, we got an Olympic coin. This is the blue one from 2016. All right, nice coin. There it is there. All right, so we're certainly getting some good variety. There are some double ups in there, so that could happen. All right, let's jump into roll number 6. Surely we've got to find some colour. Oh, we got some colour. I can see that. Let's just see if there's any more here. So that means we're not going into the bag this time. No. Alright, so let's put all those ones aside. And what did we actually get? We got a Wags the Dog, so a Wiggles $2 coin from 2021. I'm getting a nice run of colour up the top here now. Alright, number 7. So I just want to thank everyone for your support, for supporting the channel. I've been going for probably about 5 or so years now doing content for the channel. I actually started the channel back in 2014, but didn't do any content. Oh, we got another bit of colour there. Anything else of interest there? We've actually got one of these already today, but it is another of the T20 $2 coins. So that joins the conga line. There we go. All right, so yeah, I just want to thank everyone. I really do appreciate your support. I appreciate all the comments that you guys leave, all the help you give me. Yeah, there's been so many comments and feedback and assistance over the years, and look, I really do appreciate each and every one of you for watching and spending the time to check out my small channel. Oh, I can see a colour. You guys can't see it, but it's not one that I've got in the bag. All right, let's pull it out now before we go any further. Matilda's $2 coin. I've only found 1 or 2 of these on the channel, and look, if it is what it is, like the mintage is nice and low, this could be a special coin. All right, let's chuck it up there. Is there anything else in this particular roll? I'm glad we're seeing some colour. I'm sad we're not going back into the bag, but we've still got one more roll to go, so let's see what we can find out of this very last roll. So as I said earlier, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know how you got into the hobby. What kick-started it? Really interested to read and get your comments on that. So I'd love to read those comments over the next few days. All right, so what are we seeing here? I was kind of hoping we would find nothing in this roll, because I want to go back into the bag and I want to see if there's a chance that we can get a special $2 coin out. All right, this is our last opportunity. All right, let's bring these guys in, and let's line them up so we can see exactly what we've got and what's the last coin we're going to be adding to this pile of coins right here. All right, last one. We're going to pull it out of the bag, bring the bag over, move them around a little bit. What do we got? All right, I've got one. Let's see what year it is. 2017, and it's another Possum Magic. It's a different one, but another Possum Magic to finish out the round. All right, guys, there they are. So one lucky winner will be getting all 10 of these sent to them. Unfortunately, we didn't get any of the super rare coins, but you never know. Some of them might end up being semi-rare in the future. All right, so like I said, leave a comment. make sure you like and make sure you have subscribed to the channel, and I'll pick a winner in the next probably 4 or 5 days. It'll be over the weekend sometime. We'll cut this particular giveaway off. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed my 500th video. Bye for now.